Complementary angles. Sum of two angles is 90 degrees is called complementary angles. Here angle B is 90 degrees. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. A and C angles are called complementary angles. In triangle ABC, here angle A is equal to theta, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here A opposite side is BC and A adjacent side is AB. And hypotenuse is AC. BC by AC. Sin theta is equal to BC by AC. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. AB by AC. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. BC by AB. Tan theta is equal to BC by AB. Sin 90 minus theta. Now we can take angle XC. Sum of three angles in triangle 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Here angle A is equal to theta. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. And angle C we don't know. Is equal to 180. Then 90 plus theta. Plus 90 coming this side. Angle C is equal to 180. Minus 90 plus theta coming here minus theta. 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 minus theta. Angle C is equal to 90 minus theta. You can take sin C. C value here how much? 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse is equal to. Here opposite side. What is the opposite side? AB is the opposite side. What is the hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse. AB by AC. Already we got here AB by AC is equal to how much? Cos theta. AB by AC is equal to cos theta. Here AB by AC plus we can write cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Next, cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to formula adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here what is the adjacent side? BC is the adjacent side. What is the hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse. BC by AC. Cos 90 minus theta. Already we got BC by AC. Where is the BC by AC? BC by AC. BC by AC is equal to how much? Sin theta. Here BC by AC is equal to sin theta. Here BC by AC plus we can write sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. If you observe 90 times sin partner will cos. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. And 90 minus theta. 90 times cos partner. Cos partner is sin. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Next, tan 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta means we are taking angle C. Angle C. Angle C we can take here. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side what? AB. AB. And what is the adjacent side? BC. BC. AB by BC is equal to cot theta. AB by BC is equal to cot theta. Here BC by AB means tan theta, reciprocal. Cot theta is equal to reverse. Adjacent side by opposite side. Here adjacent side is AB and opposite side is BC. AB by BC is equal to cot theta. Here AB by BC is equal to cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Similarly, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. 90 tan partner cot and cot partner tan. Next sec partner cosec. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Simple, you must remember whenever sec come in time, sec partner who? Cosec. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. And cosec 90 minus theta, cosec partner sec. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Same, similarly, sin partner cos. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Both partners are coming. Here tan partner cot. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Using these formulas, we are doing third exercise problems. In third exercise, first problem, tan 36 by cot 54. Here numerator, trigonometric value is there, in denominator also trigonometric value is there. You can change numerator or denominator, any one we can change. Here I am changing denominator. Cot 54. 54 I am writing 90 minus 36. 90 minus 36 is 54. Cot 90 minus 36. Now we can use formula cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. 90 tan cot will change into tan. Here theta plus 36 is there. Tan 36. Tan 36 by tan 36. Both will be cancelled. Then value is 1. Tan 36 by cot 54 is equal to 1. Like these questions they will ask 1 mark questions in annual examination. Again, first with second problem. Cos 12 minus sin 78. Here I am changing sign. 78 I am writing 90 minus 12. 90 times sin 90 minus theta formula. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Using this formula, 90 times sin will change into cos 12. Here theta plus 12 is there. Cos 12. Cos 12 minus cos 12 is equal to 0. And the second problem, show that tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74. Here what I am doing, solution. Tan 48 writing as it is, tan 16 writing as it is, tan 42. 42 I am writing as 90 minus 48. 90 minus 48 is 42. Next to tan 74 I am writing 90 minus 16. 90 minus 16. 90 times tan change into cot 48. 90 times tan change into cot 16. Then we can write in order tan 48. Tan partner cot 48. Where is cot 48? Cot 48 we can write. Again, next we can write tan 16 into cot 16. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. 1 into 1, 1. Then tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 value is 1. Next, fifth problem. This is also very important problem. If A comma B comma C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. In triangle ABC, sum of three angles in triangle 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. I am bringing angle C right side. Plus angle C is coming this side, means this will become minus angle C. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 minus angle C. Both sides divide with 2. Both sides divide with 2. Angle A plus angle B by 2 is equal to 180 minus C by 2. This 2 is dividing first one and 2 is dividing second one. 180 by 2 is equal to 90 minus C by 2. Both sides applying tan theta. Here tan A plus B by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus C by 2. 90 tan will change into cot C by 2. Then tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Like that we can prove tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. In trigonometric second exercise, we are discussing about values of ratios of trigonometric for specific angles. This table, we can write the table, ratios of trigonometry, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. This table, we can fill up the table without knowing any values. Here one small technique is there. First we know numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 to 4 numbers you can write continuously. Next, every number divide with 4. Then for every number we can take square root. Then simplify that values we are getting sign values. Suppose 0 by 4 is equal to 0. Root 0 means 0. 1 by 4. Root for numerator and root for denominator. Root 1 means 1. Root 4 means 2. 1 by 2. And 2 table we can cancel. 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 by 2. Root for numerator and root for denominator. 1 by root 2. And root for numerator and root for denominator. Root 3 by root 4 means 2. Root 3 by 2. 4 cancel. 4 ones are 4. Root 1 means 1. This is the sine values. Sine 0 is equal to 0 degrees, sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is equal to 1. Next to sine partner is cos. Sine partner is cos. Cos theta, whenever we are writing partner values, we can write back to front. Here back value how much? 1. Next root 3 by 2. Next 1 by root 2. Next 1 by 2. Next 0. Here sine partner is cos theta. Sine partner is cos theta. Here cos theta full form is cosine theta. Here sin theta full form is sin theta. Next tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. It is the ratio of sin and cos. Here sin value how much? 0 and cos value how much? 1. 0 by 1 is equal to 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 will cancel, then 1 by root 3. Root 2 cancel, 1 by 1 means 1. And 2 cancel, root 3 by 1 means root 3. 1 by 0 means infinite. Tan 0 is equal to 0. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. And tan 90 is equal to infinite. And tan partner is cot theta. Cot theta full form cotangent. Cotangent. Partner means we are getting co. Here tan theta partner is cot theta. Whenever cot theta values we are writing from back to front. Here back value how much? Infinite, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. Next to sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Here cos theta. Cos theta reciprocal. 1 by 1 reciprocal, 1 only. Next root 3 by 2 reciprocal, reverse. 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 reciprocal. Root 2 by 1, root 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal, 2 by 1, 2. And 0 by 1 reciprocal, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means infinite. Next sec theta full form is secant theta. Sec theta partner is cosec theta. Whenever before co getting, then we are getting partner. Cosec theta. Sec theta partner is cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Whenever we are writing partner values from back to front, we can write infinite and 2 and root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. This is cosec theta. Using these values, we are doing second exercise all problems. Just substitute these values in the problem and simplify the problems. Using these values, we are doing second exercise problems.